Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to enable option press and hold to edit your clock or wallpaper on lock screen. And this option is disabled standard, so I'm going to show you by the settings how to enable it. So go to the settings, then scroll down and go to the lock screen, then goes down, and there is an option which been disabled on the standard option. When you enable it, it's going to be blue. And it press and hold lock screen to edit clock and wallpaper, and I will show you how to do that. So when you press and hold your screen lock, you can edit your wallpaper from here. Yeah, that's it. And you can customize whatever wallpaper you like. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.